Hey fellas, we have this Dewalt piece and the customer told that it's sometimes just not working, so let's try to open it and of course check what can be wrong here. You can see the sticker was cut, this sticker was removed, so definitely someone was repairing this one. Okay. Okay. What we have here. Strange. Okay, when the customers are telling that the tool is not working, sometimes I'm searching for the bad wiring or some damaged wires. I have one here, I have it here, so okay, let's try to connect it to the battery. Okay, now this time it feels that it can be the housing or the terminal problem. Of course, this part inside just looks strange. And okay, let's check. We have some wear and tear on the housing, especially we have it here, and we have some wear and tear on the battery terminal. That's really not very good. Okay, so let's check. Can we do something here? I think we can try to make the terminal be more forward to battery, or I can try to search for the replacement terminal maybe. Most of the times you can just push it in, out, sorry, with a spring. I need to find the perfect spring for this job. Okay, I have soldered the wires. Now I need to find a way to close the housing. Okay, now my biggest concern is how I will close the housing with the more wire is, so I will try to screw the screws here. Okay, we have the battery terminal here in place. Looks good. Okay. Okay, let's check how it looks now. It looks good. I will take the battery. Okay, it looks good. It seems that it's working, so they're replacing the terminal. I hope it helped for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.